If you're having this frustrating issue where the top part of your lock screen wallpaper is blurry and you need to fix it as soon as possible, then follow the steps in this video because some of them should work for you. The first step which we're going to do is to set a new wallpaper. But we're not going to do this from the Settings app on iPhone, but instead we have to do this from our photo gallery in order to not get that blur at the top. This is one workaround, so I'm quickly going to open my photo gallery. I'll then open this Palm wallpaper here. And the first fix is to crop our photo just a tiny bit, so tap on this button at the bottom in order to open the photo editor. After this, I'm going to click on Crop. We now have to select the aspect ratio option at the top right, and then select the wallpaper option. So crop it as little as possible, because maybe you have a part in your image which you want to see on your lock screen. So I've now cropped this, and let's set this as a wallpaper. Tap on Share at the bottom left, then Use as Wallpaper. Another solution is to turn off the spatial wallpaper option, and that is this icon right here next to the three dots. This spatial wallpaper option will add a cool 3D effect on your lock screen wallpaper, but it can also cause some bugs, or it can cause that blur at the top of your screen. So turn it off and see if it solved your issue. And one more little trick which may fix the problem is to open your wallpaper, then zoom in until the wallpaper is in full screen mode like this. Then I'm going to take a screenshot by just pressing the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Now open that screenshot, try to set it as your lock screen wallpaper, and this should get rid of your blur at the top of the image. If you have any other fixes for this problem, then please make sure you leave them in the comments down below so we can help more people. And I will see you in the next one.